Hello guys, my name is Faizan and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll be doing something marvelous, something fantastic and something which is amazingly mind-blowing. So let's stop adding some prefix and suffix and let's talk about what our video is. So in today's video, I'll be teaching you all how can you create a fully working invisible profile for free. This is a 100% working trick, guys. So before moving on, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, then please hit the red color subscribe button and press the bell icon to never miss any videos I upload on YouTube. So guys, without delaying any more time, let's get into the video. So guys, the first step is you are going to come to the canva.com. The link for this website is in the description down below. What you're going to do is you're going to click on this create button. After you do that, you're going to select the option YouTube thumbnail. And you have been redirected to a page where you're going to do your next steps. Now you're going to select any background of your choice. I'll be selecting this blue honeycomb pattern. This is in blue color, but I want this to be in white. So I'll be clicking on this blue. I'll be changing the color to white. And now, as you could see, the background is plain. So if you want to bring that honeycomb pattern back, you're just going to adjust the brightness a little bit after coming to adjust. You're just going to download this image and it should be PNG in PNG form only. So after downloading it, you would be getting something like a notification over here like this. Now let's move on to the second step of removing the background. Guys, we are going to open another website which is the remove.bg. So after coming to this website, as you could see here, there is an option upload image. Now you are going to click on that, and after that the image that you just downloaded, you are going to click on that and you are going to press open. So after you do that, the background has been erased. The white color background has been erased, but still the stripes that we need that we don't need is still in here. So now what we are going to do is you are going to click on this erase or restore option, and after that you are going to increase the size of the eraser. And now after doing that, you are going to erase each and every stripes of the honeycomb. So after you erase each and every honeycomb pattern, now it's time for you to download this image with checkerboard pattern. So after you download this image, again you will find a notification that your image has been successfully downloaded. So let's move on to the third and last step of creating your invisible background. Guys, just for the sake of this step, I have again converted my profile to how it looked before. So now this is the last step of converting your normal profile into an invisible profile. So you are going to click on this profile which lies on your background, and now you are going to click on this camera button which is on the bottom side of it. So after you click that, you are going to go to upload photos and you are going to click on select a photo from your computer. So after you do that, the image that you just downloaded from remove.bg will be in the name of design/removebg-preview. Now you are going to click on that and you are going to click on open so that image comes to your profile changing part. Now you are going to click on set as profile photo, and after a few seconds of loading, as you could see, my profile has been set to invisible background. Even when I click, everything that I need to see is here, but my profile is invisible. Many of you would be thinking why the profile in my search bar hasn't changed into invisible profile. So it happens right after you change your profile whenever you do it. So how can you convert this also into invisible is very simple. what you're going to do is you're just going to sign out your account, and after that you're going to again sign in, so that this profile also is turned into invisible. That's it. Finally, you have learned how can you add invisible profile to your profile picture. So that's all for today's video, guys. If you like this video, then please hit that like button, and if you're new to this channel, then please subscribe. I will meet you in my next video. Till then, mercy. Bye.